In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add visual effects and virtual backgrounds on Google Meet using the Google Meet Chrome extension. This handy tool is fantastic for spicing up your video calls, adding a touch of professionalism, or simply hiding a cluttered room. Let's jump right in and explore how you can easily set this up. The first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome is essential here as this extension is specifically crafted for use in this browser. Once opened, navigate to the Chrome Web Store. This is the place where you can find and add all kinds of useful extensions to your browser. In the Chrome Web Store's search bar, type in change background for Google Meet TM. This will direct you to the specific extension we'll be using today. Browsing through the search results, locate the extension and click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation to add the extension. Simply agree to the terms, and the extension will start installing right away. Once the installation process is complete, look to the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You should notice a new icon that represents the extension you just added. This is your launchpad for using visual effects and virtual backgrounds in your Google Meet sessions. With the extension installed, it's time to open Google Meet. Start a new meeting or jump into one you've been invited to. As the meeting interface loads, take note of the top right corner once again. You'll see the extensions icon prominently displayed there, ready and waiting for you to use. Click on this icon to open up the extension settings or options. Here you have a variety of choices that cater to your style and needs. Whether you prefer a subtle blur in the background to maintain visual focus, or a complete change of scenery with a colourful or thematic background, this extension provides multiple effects to play around with. It's all about preference and the kind of atmosphere you want to create in your meeting. Experiment with different settings until you find the visual effect that's right for you. Whether for a professional meeting or a casual chat with friends, these effects can help enhance the overall experience. Conclusion is, this Google Meet Chrome extension is a simple yet powerful way to add a personal touch to your virtual meetings. It lets you experiment with different looks, ensuring every call feels as dynamic and engaging as possible. So there you have it. Enjoy customizing your meetings with these eye-catching visual effects and backgrounds. Thank you for tuning in and happy conferencing.